Good posture is very important in life. And your mom has told you that more times than you can count. But it's especially important in public speaking. Slouching makes you look a lot less confident. So make sure you stand up as if you're a puppet with a string going right through the top of your head. That's kind of grotesque, actually. Whatever. Don't lift your chin up because you still want to be able to look your audience members in the eyes. Still though, make sure your back is straight and you come across as confident just by standing. A great exercise to control movement: put a sheet of paper on your head and practice speaking. Okay, one second. So a great exercise to control your movement: put a sheet of paper on your head and practice speaking. So the paper shouldn't fall if you have good posture and you don't move way too much. Be relaxed, let your gestures flow, and speak with control. Now, when you go back to speaking normally, you don't have to stay as rigid because it will look unnatural. But the great part is you suddenly become aware of how you're utilizing your body in speaking. Ideally, look into a mirror and maybe talk about your favorite sport. Why is it your favorite sport? Do you like playing? Do you like watching? Keep the paper on top of your head and then take it off about halfway through. But keep speaking while focusing on your body movement and how you're controlling it.